Hey YouTube, Kentucky Madman again. Hey listen guys, still messing around with Jeep stuff. Another issue guys run into when they can't get their Jeep started, besides the crank sensor, I had a video on that, is also the camshaft position sensor, which is this rascal right here. It's inside the distributor. In order to test this, I'm sure there's a bunch of different ways. This one's pretty fail-proof. You're going to need a multimeter, need some alligator clips, test leads, a screwdriver, and a 5-volt power supply. What I've done is I've taken just a regular old cell phone charger with the USB connector, took an old computer printer cable, cut the printer end off, and you strip it back, and you're looking for the red and the black wire. That's going to be your positive and negative 5 volts. What you want to do with this connector, holding it where the top, where your release is, you want to connect a positive 5 volts to the left side, your ground to the center. This yellow is the signal that is sent to the PCM to control your ignition and so forth. Once you've got that hooked up, you want to take your black lead to your ground, take your red lead to the positive, and then connect your voltmeter to the positive side as well. You want to take the negative side of your voltmeter, connect it to what I'm using here is yellow, which is your sensor signal, and go ahead and add your 5 volts. Now, as you can see, as soon as I plug that in, we've got 5 volts, which shows it's making its way through the system. You're saying, yeah, but hey man, that crankshaft sensor didn't have 5 volts. Well, no, it didn't. This one works exactly the opposite. What you need to do is take your something metal. Again, I'm just using a screwdriver tip, and you want to place it between this pickup and the plastic. And once you break that field, you can see the voltage on the voltmeter drops. Bring it back out, you got your 5. And if you've looked inside the distributor, once you've taken this off, you see that there is a metal shield with one section missing. That's basically what you're simulating with this. So that pretty much will tell you whether or not that's good. If you're not showing any voltage when you first turn it on like this, chances are you've got a bad unit. If you get the 5 volts and you block it and you still have 5 volts, you've got a bad unit. You know you need to replace it. It'll save you the hassle of buying parts and just trying things to try them. So yeah, I hope you guys can use this. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you guys again. Thanks a lot.